Why do almost all of us instinctively reach for the right hand? Not just you, not just your culture, but 90% of every human being who has ever lived on Earth across every civilization in recorded history. Science finally has some answers. The consistency of right-handedness across human populations is one of the most remarkable and understudied patterns in all of biology. Approximately 90% of people identify as right-handed, while only around 10% are left-handed or show mixed preference. What makes this statistic so extraordinary is that it holds across vastly different cultures, geographic regions, historical periods, and social environments, suggesting that something much deeper than habit or tradition is driving this overwhelming pattern. Scientists now believe this preference begins not at birth, not in childhood, but even earlier, during fetal development itself, when specific genes begin guiding how the brain forms and which hemisphere becomes more dominant and active. The left hemisphere of the brain typically handles complex motor control and language processing, both of which are intimately connected to the fine, precise movements that skilled hand use requires throughout daily life. Because the left brain controls the right side of the body, right-handedness naturally emerges as the dominant pattern for the majority of people whose left hemisphere develops with slightly greater motor efficiency and neural connectivity. Genes do not act alone in this process. Instead, they build a neural framework during development that makes right-side motor skills fractionally more efficient for most people from the very earliest stages of physical development. Researchers have identified dozens of genetic variations thought to influence this early brain wiring process, making right-hand preference statistically more likely, while left-handedness arises from specific combinations of factors that produce meaningful variation. Cultural and historical forces have also reinforced this biological tendency over many generations. Tools, writing systems, social customs, and everyday objects have been predominantly designed around right-hand use throughout most of recorded human civilization. Some early societies actively discouraged left-handedness, creating environments where right-handed behaviors were practiced more frequently from childhood, further embedding right-hand dominance into cultural norms across generations worldwide. The full explanation remains incomplete, but the extraordinary consistency of right-handedness across all of human history tells us something profound about the deep biological architecture shared by virtually every member of our species. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you left-handed? Like this video if it made you think differently, subscribe for more fascinating science explained simply, and share it with someone who has always wondered why the world feels made for the right hand.